Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Well, I'm on the road again, and it's a Wednesday, so I went down to the restore. I had a stop to make on the way down here, and I came up with some interesting stuff. I don't like string trimmers. I really don't like string trimmers. I have no luck at all with them, but the price was right, so I picked it up. And these come in handy many times. So now I have more than enough tape machines. I think I'm going to stop getting any more, but it's interesting to have them. I also have the opportunity to see some big toolboxes, and I'll put a clip of them in here in the middle. My apprentice's new uniform. Yep, he wants to be a fix-it too. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.